FlameTask scheduling is a way for the work administrator to schedule sites for a month, or day, or time for a particular technician to do inspection and service the equipment. From the mobile device, the technician can see all of the sites that were scheduled just for them or can see all sites for the entire month. This gives some latitude for the technician to go to a site regardless of the day or time the site was scheduled. In the web system, to schedule, click on the Schedule button. Select the user from the drop-down to schedule a particular technician. Click on the date to be scheduled. By default, the toggle will be on, to show unscheduled sites with due services. This makes the site list shorter to pick from easier. If the site isn't shown on the list, use the search filter to refine the list. Click on the site to be scheduled. The site shows up with the technician icon on that day on that date. Select another site. Click on the site that is scheduled and another window opens up. From here you can change the start or end time or even the technician user that this was assigned to. Change the technician and click on another date. Then click on a site. Thanks for watching the FlameTask video on scheduling.